Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this short video I'm gonna show you how to turn off enter password to download free apps from App Store on iPhone and iPad. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we have to go to settings, then tap on your profile name and tap media and purchases, and a pop-up window will appear and we have to tap on password settings. Under required password, we have to turn off required password under free downloads. After that, we have to tap on done, go back to App Store and download and install free apps without Apple ID password. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.